Hey guys, welcome to my channel Product Reviews. So today what we are going to review is a new product from Goodknight, which is a Goodknight Gold Flash Liquid Vaporizer. So here's a box. This is a new product from Goodknight. It is the main USP of this Goodknight Gold Flash Liquid Vaporizer is it provides visible vapors every 4 hours. So it's also mentioned on the box if you look at it. Okay. So let's go ahead and unbox this product. Let's see what all we get in this box. Okay, so before I unbox this, let me tell you all what is the MRP on this product. So the MRP on the box here is 89. You can see this, 89 rupees Indian INR, 89 INR. Okay, so let's go ahead and look inside this box. Let's see what all do we get in this. Okay, so we just open this box up, and inside here you'll see we got two things here. One is a vaporizer machine and the liquid and the vaporizer liquid to attach in the machine, and there's a piece of paper here. This is the documentation that I have given with the box. Okay, so let's move on to the vaporizer machine. Okay, looks like a normal vaporizer, but the USP of this vaporizer machine from Goodknight is that when you switch it on, so you can see there are two modes here. There's a normal mode and there's a flash mode. So the main USP of this product from Goodknight is that when you activate the flash mode, right? When you activate the flash mode, this machine releases powerful liquid vapors in every 4 hours, and the cycle runs like it will run on the flash mode for 30 minutes, then move on to 4 hours in the normal mode, and then again after every 4 hours there's a 30-minute cycle which runs on the flash mode. So let's look at how we can attach the refill to it. So we got a refill here. Okay, we'll open it. Looks like a normal refill from Goodknight. So we can attach it here. It goes right in here. Okay, just one switch and it goes in. Cool. So pretty easy and simple to attach. Not much complexity in that. So let's look at how we can quickly plug it in. I'll show you how we can plug it in. Okay. Okay, so here is my switch point. Okay, so we are going to plug it into the flash mode. You can see that the light is blinking, and now it's on the orange light, which is the flash mode on. So yeah, so this is the product from Goodknight. Just like any other normal liquid vaporizer, but again the main USP of this liquid vaporizer is that it provides powerful vapors automatically every 4 hours. So you don't have to switch it to like a high mode, but it automatically does it every 4 hours. So earlier the Goodknight Active Plus, which was there with the product that was there earlier, the Goodknight Active Plus, so I have that with me as well here. So in this we had to manually switch it to the high mode, right? Whenever there were too many mosquitoes in the room, you had to manually switch it to high mode, and then after some time manually switch it back to the low mode. But what this new machine from Goodknight does is, if it is activated in the flash mode, it won't be like it will be running in the flash mode all the 8 hours that you sleep. It's automatically every 4 hours. In every 4 hour cycle, it's going to switch to the flash mode, release vapors, and for 30 minutes it will run in the flash mode and then return back to the normal mode. So yeah guys, this is a new product from Goodknight. Let me know about your reviews on the same, like how was your experience using it, and I will surely do a follow-up video on this about my experience of using it and how much benefit it had in repelling mosquitoes in my house. Okay, so before I leave y'all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep on uploading many more wonderful videos related to household products from day-to-day users. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you all get notified every time I put on a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.